Connected. Good evening, all. I hope you are connected. I wait 2 minutes and then we are going to start on the graphs and on the stocks. So, let me introduce myself. I am James. Some people know me as the Wolf of Zurich. I am the head of Zurich chapter SAMT. SAMT is the Swiss Association of Market Technicians. It's a branch of IFTA, the International Federation of Technical Analysts. I am specialized in PRZ, okay, reversal of the market, and I work often and I developed a technique with harmonics, Ichimoku, ticks, and WOOZ. So I would like first to thank all the people who follow me on the subdomain, English subdomain, plus TradingView, because thanks of TradingView, I can do this kind of streams with you. About the project in process, we created a channel on YouTube, okay, the French one, English one, and Russian one soon, okay. Plus, we start a market brief every morning. The name is Barometric Market. It's every morning around 8 o'clock before the open. And this is the thing. So now let's go on the charts. Remove this. So about Euro USD, as you can see, I detected here an ascending rectangle. So at the breakout here, basically we must enter long. Okay, so you report this segment here, and basically the market should go around 1.26 258. This is the thing, but I detected an ABCD pattern here, which give a PRZ between 117,882 and 121,437. So be careful. We have a breakout here. It's a signal. Plus, I can show you another thing. Maybe we can go here. Weekly. 1 week. Okay. So what do we have 1 week? 1 week. The ROC, the ROC, the rate of change. It gives you the speed of the momentum. What it said here, not, then it was 4 hours. We have a divergence. I'm going to show you 4 hours here. No, nothing. Okay, doesn't matter. So the most important on this pattern is on this graph, it's the ascending triangle here, as you can see. The market often came here, okay, and here, then you have to draw an horizontal. You align this point, this diagonal, and then you report this segment here. So the final target is here. But for me, we can touch, for example, 114 is possible. Okay, so be careful. Now we go on the German market index. We have, as you can see, a huge divergence with the ROC, rate of change, and the market. So the market can collapse. Plus we have here, I show you here, we have a bearish engulfing candle, which give a potential reversal of the market, bearish. So be careful. EMA 50 and EMA 200 are potential targets. Okay, so check these lines all the time. We can have a target around 16,200, 16,250. Okay, we have also a divergence here on the RSI, so be careful. If you have any question, you can write me. Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin, it's very interesting. I published this morning because I publish basically in 20 countries every day in 20 different languages. I speak 7 languages, so basically now I prefer to publish 5 in 5 languages. It's enough, even on the English subdomain. So look, we have a double top, and we can have here on the EMA 50 around 40k and 33,000. Okay, we can have these targets potential objective. It's very important to focus on it. I put it here, what we can do. Okay, 35,200, 33,150, double top. Divergence with the rock and divergence with the RSI. Okay, now we go on USD, not BTC, GBP, the gold. So what about the gold? The gold, as I said yesterday, I'm going to draw for you this. Remove here. Remove. We have a head shoulder reversed here. Okay. It's not very beautiful, but it is. Let me check here. Not so, but that's why we had this explosion of the market, exploding here and line, voila. And then you duplicate this segment here, and we have, that's why we had this candle and tail, because of this pattern. Okay, chartist pattern. Okay, now we can have also this. I'm going to show you. Let's try ABCD pattern. Wait. Okay, let me check this. 80, we can have this, for example. Let's say that possible, and yes, here it's potential target should be here. So we did it already in daily, and then the maximum can be here. Okay, let's say more that. Okay, here it's perfect. So I draw here a rectangle. We can go on this PRZ zone. It means we can go maximum to 2,220, for example, or we did it already, this level, and we had the downturn. So now change, and we go on the lithium, for example. Lithium is very interesting. We have a black swan plus a wolf wave, divergence, everything is fantastic. Why? Because, guys, it sells, it's mindset. Okay, it's very important to understand that when the market collapses like this, it's a huge opportunity to enter in the market. Then you must be long. Why? Because we have wolf wave, black swan, divergence. It's a strong signal. Okay, so the EMA 50, EMA 200 are potential targets. We can go there. That's my targets. For example, here we can go to 728, 1026. Otherwise, what say, for example, Ichimoku. If we check Ichimoku here, it's daily. I don't want daily, I want weekly, for example. Weekly, voila. Here, weekly, we can have, yes, 962. 962 is a potential target. Then it means, and plus here you can see that, okay, even if you have a desk cross here, we have the EMA 50 and EMA 200 at this level. Then there is a convergence with my analysis. Okay, so now I go back to 1 day. It's important to, when you make an analysis, you must do like that. First, you start weekly. Okay, daily 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes. It's very important, and it gives you good levels. So we have a black swan daily on the lithium. About the lithium, I'm going to speak about lithium a few minutes. It's very important because the name of the lithium is the white gold. Okay, and we use the lithium for the battery, for your smartphone, for your computers, for the e-cars. Okay, like for Tesla or Mercedes, etc. Then it's very important. We need the average quantity for a battery for an electric car is 10 kilogram, I think. About the deposit, we have the biggest producer in the world. The biggest one is Australia, with 50% of the extraction in the world. After that, you have Chile with a quarter, then 25%. And after Chile, you have China. China is maybe 17% of the extraction in the world. And then you have Argentina with 7% or something like that. You have also in France. I am French, nobody's perfect. You can hear it with my accent. So we have also a bit in France. So it's very important to understand that now it sells, as you can see. So maybe you can have with options strategy, long call, expiry, for example, March, and a strike around, let's say 11 is okay. 11 is okay. 11, yes, 11. 11 is okay. Look, the market can here, the price can here. 11 is a good price, is an average price. So now let's go on USD did it. Dow Jones. Dow Jones is very interesting. Look, we have this fantastic pattern, and if we have a breakout, we can go lower. The ATH is here. We did a breakout already, so we wait. We still have a divergence here with the ROC, rate of change. So be careful. EMA 50 and EMA 200 are always and still potential targets. We have a harmonic pattern, ABCD pattern here. So we can go at a maximum, I think, yes, 38,020 could be. Look, we are just close to my PRZ here, and then we can go down and reach these EMAs. It was the Dow Jones. Now let's go on. Let's go on. S&P. S&P. Yes, S&P is fantastic. We have an N star. We are still on the N star. We had a bad before. I'm going to delete this to remove here. Okay. So don't forget that we have gaps also. So it's important to think about it. Remove here the N star. The N star is still valid. And we have also another PRZ here who is much larger. Is larger because we have ABCD pattern Okay, so the maximum is this level, 4,920, and the minimum, we are on the minimum now. Okay, this is, yes. So we will see. And then if it works, we can reach this level, the MA50, for 1,554. Otherwise, the 200 moving average here around 4,365. Don't forget that we have a big support around 4,000. Yes, 4,400, 4,430. Okay, so be careful. We can have, plus we have the divergence all the time here. So be careful on SP 500. We go now maybe on the Nasdaq. And after that, I'm going to speak about, let's go on the CAC 40, the French one market. We have an N star, which is, we have a small breakout here, but it's still valid. Plus we have here, we can do it together, another ABCD pattern, which is here, I think. Let me check. Yes, ratios are good. Yes, it's not so bad. It's more here. Okay, and the maximum can be here. Let me check even a bit more, bit more, bit more. Let's do like that. Okay, here it's okay. No. Okay, so the maximum we can do 8,131 and 7,800. Let's say like that. Okay. Now I go on the Nasdaq. Hello, James. Also, what else? What about PLS? Okay, I'm going to PLS. This is the code of PLS. I'm going to check after my stream. With a great pleasure, Maxime Action. Okay, let's do Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Now the Nasdaq. It's fantastic. We have the N-star. The word N-star has been destroyed. My N-star is not valid anymore. Then I remove this N-star. But we have an ABCD pattern, as you can see, and we can reach these levels. For example, the new PRZ is 16,950 or maximum 17,153. So look, it's fantastic. We have also here this case. It's a school case, okay? Divergence, you know what it means. So when the ROC, rate of change, is going to go lower than 0, it will be a strong signal short. Okay, it's very important to think about it. 1 day is okay for me. Now we are going to speak about the VIX SP 500. It's very important. Why? Because as I said, as I always say, volatility really deserves its name. Volatility. It's very volatile. That's why when the volatility is so low, it's a huge opportunity to buy the volatility. Okay, then you can have, as I told you, for options, for example, you can be long call expiry March and a strike around 16 is correct. 16, 17 is good. It's here. Okay, it's this rectangle here. The rectangle here is valid and is good. So we can have a rebound because I detected, the Wolf of Zurich detected here a shark pattern, a bullish one. So we can go. My stop loss is here. It's the red line around 10.50. And as you can see, before I detected a butterfly and the butterfly was valid, and look what we did. And on this butterfly, I expected, for example, only 50%. 50% take profit. And look, we did maybe 3 or 4 times more. So this level 23 is possible. It's not a problem. Okay. Here we have also, I detected an ABC pattern. Then we can reach this level also 25.50. It's not a big deal. And then the maximum can be 28.40. For example, it's possible. Be careful because we have the news, the important news from the Fed at the beginning of the year. So the market can be very scary, aggressive. There can be we can have a panic on the market, and then the volatility can go up. It's very important, the mindset. It's very important that you understand that it's sales. Then you must be long on the volatility, on the lithium, on these kinds of underlyings. Now I go on, let's say, NVIDIA, AMD, let's say AMD. Okay, AMD, we have also ABC pattern. Then, and plus you can see here, divergence with ROC. Okay, market's going up and divergence here. So be careful. We are close. We are on my PRZ zone. Okay, so we are on my PRZ. So we can go here, or the maximum can be 157. Now we are on the PRZ zone. So we can reach the EMA here around 123 and 108 with the EMA 200. Now let's see and let's check Tesla maybe. Tesla is here. Okay. So we had, why I drew that? Yes, that. Okay. Let's run. Yes, it was really fantastic here. This butterfly worked very well. I gave that one. It was fantastic. And now we reached this level. So I detected, I'm going to remove this later, doesn't matter. The most important now is that the butterfly was really good, okay? And I detected ABC pattern here. So we can go maximum at this level, 377, okay? And lower, let me draw a rectangle here. So the top of the rectangle is here and the bottom is, let me check. Yes, and we have a convergence with this level I draw here. So we can do, for example, and we can go to 338, 340. Okay, it's very important here. There was a bat. I deleted the bat because it's not necessary now to have it. You have also here a divergence with the ROC, rate of change. Okay, and the market do that. Ichimoku, not necessary. So now we go on. Now we go on NVIDIA. NVIDIA, same ABC pattern, fantastic. The Nen star, it's an Nen star here. Nen star is still valid. I'm going to do it a bit more shining here, like this. Okay. So we are here. The PRZ, the top of the PRZ is here, 519. About Tesla, yes, about Tesla, we can go, of course, upper because it's not an ATH. Here, we can reach these levels, for example, 519, or at the maximum, and it's not a maximum, sorry, 537. But the maximum, if we break this line, could be this 582. So be careful. It was NVIDIA. Now, oil. We did it. We didn't. So oil is fantastic. You see, you have many lines. I'm sorry. I'm going to delete this because I don't want that to be a big mess. So let's delete this line and that line. It was a wolf wave. So the butterfly was really fantastic, as you can see. I'm going to do a zoom. The levels are here. We can reach this line and we did it, the EMA 500, then the second one, the second target is the EMA 200, 79.15. Okay, I can put, for example, the judge here, and the judge did the same. We can go, for example, I can remove this. If you like Bollinger Bands, we can go further. Otherwise, we have an ABC pattern here, which give a potential target to 101. It's possible. It's really possible. And you can be shocked because with what percentage of error do you accept on your harmonic patterns? Harmonic patterns, it works for me at 70%. 70% is already a good ratio, you know. So 70% is correct. And here, weekly, it's important to start weekly or monthly, weekly, daily, 400, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour. So weekly, we have here weekly an ABC pattern also. Voila. And then look, we can reach this level. I know it's crazy, huh? But we can reach 142. It's not so crazy because we did it. We have an ATH here at 147. So 142 is possible. And even more here, 162. So be careful with oil. It sells, guys. I show you right now again. You must understand something. It's very important. As said Warren Buffett, when the market is euphoric, you must be scared, okay? And then when the market scared and there is a fear, you must see that as a opportunity, okay? It's very opportunist moment to buy the market. And as you can see, this butterfly was really fantastic. I detected this butterfly maybe 2 weeks ago, even more. And then we have here the rebound, also almost a perfect rebound, plus the divergence here is fantastic. Double bottom on ROC, rate of change. It gives you the speed of the momentum of an underlying. Then it's very important to work with. I will make a conference soon with Julien Ebenzal. Julien Ebenzal is the former president of AFAT, which is also a branch of IFTA, and he's a former member of the board of IFTA. Plus, yes, it's important to tell you that the 14th of January, I am going to make a duet on Stream Live with Alex Spiroglu. This guy is fantastic. He knows what he's talking about, and he invented the MACDV, who is more focused and who gives you more best and good entrance in the market, better than MACD Zero Lag or MACD Classic. Okay, so if you want to know more about this, you can contact me on the different links you have under my publications, and then I will give you all the information you need. We have also some canal, Telegram, etc. So about oil, listen guys, it's very important to know and to understand the mindset. We are traders. We are like a guy who, for example, buy a kilogram of potatoes 3-5 euros, and when this kilogram is even cheaper, of course he's going to buy it. I take another analogy, more simple. Let's forget about the potatoes. Let's speak about Ferrari. Okay, imagine the car of your dreams, a Ferrari or Maserati or Lamborghini, doesn't matter, and you have a discount 70% or 50%. You're not going to buy it? Of course you're going to buy it. That's why it's mindset. Okay, when it sells, buy. It's very important, and you can buy through options, for example. Now, dollar. Dollar, we have the same here, as you can see. So I had an N star. It was fantastic. It was validated. Yesterday I did this stream in French. That's why I deleted my N star. Okay, but we had a good one and it worked very well. So let me check here. Yes, it was just fantastic. Perfect. So now we have an ABC pattern. So we can go to this level and have a rebound because we have a divergence with the rock, the rate of change, and this. Oh, sorry, wait. This. Look, market is going down and we have a double top here. A double bottom here, sorry. Double bottom. So we can have a rebound and we can go to this level 109. I know it's huge, but before we can reach the EMA 50 and the EMA 200 at this level, around 103. It's possible. It's not huge. It's not a big deal. And this level is possible also because the highest here can be here. So let's say 103 is already a good target because look, all the time we had this here, 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 you know, we had accumulation here all the time. Okay, so be safe. Here, Ethereum, natural gas. Natural gas. Look, guys, that's very important. It sells on natural gas. It sells, and don't forget that about oil and gas. It's winter. It's winter, guys. So if it's winter, what are you going to do? Look, we have an N star. N star is fantastic. The PRZ zone has been touched here. It's just amazing. I'm very happy. And plus, I gave maybe 1 or 2 months ago the different gaps opened. So the last one was that one, and we did it. So I'm going to delete that one here, and the other one is that one. For example, the first one is 353.50 and the last one upper is 439.72. So regarding the N star, it's fantastic. It works. It's still valid. So we can reach the EMA around 277.38 and the EMA 203.0965. Okay. And the ABC pattern gives you a PRZ at this low zone. Then there is a big convergence here. It converges with the ABC pattern and the gap. So potentially we can go upper, of course. So always the same, okay? Options, long call, expiry, let's say March, and the strike, let's say the EMA 200, then let's say 3, for example. That's the thing. I think we'll go there. I don't think. The graph and my analysis said we can go there. So we will see. Now, oh, sorry, it's not that. And now what else? USD Nifty. Okay, I'm going to speak with the Ethereum. Yes, we have also the same. Maybe double top and we can reach the 200. The EMA 200 or first. Let me check. Let me check quickly. Yes, we can reach this line first. 2,138 and 1,898. Look, I'm going now to check something else. So maximation, okay. PLS. That one, right? Maximation, you are here with me online? Okay, let's check what could happen here. What we can have. Okay, let's see first. XABCD. We can have this. Sorry, we can have, for example, 700. We did it or not already? Not yet. 786. Let's say here. We can reach this level with this gauntlet. So we can go there. Okay. Okay, we did it. Oh, tac D, sorry, that one is green. Because we can have a rebound here on this pure Z zone. There. Pure Z is around here. I draw this quickly. Then you can have that. Yes, maximization. Look, we can have this gauntlet. We almost touched the PRZ, but it was a wrong signal. So maybe we can reach the EMA 200, and then we can have this scenario script. Look, we can do that, and then we can do that. I will publish this tomorrow. Let me check. This is okay. Yes. Yes, ratios here are not so, but you can do that. No, here it's good. Here it's good. No, don't move. Opla. But you have a point here which gives you the good ratio. Maybe that one. Yes, look. Here you have something good. Okay? Yes. Yes, ratios are good. Perfect. And it's a gauntlet. So I'm going to write for you, guys, here, gauntlet. Gauntlet is a strong harmonic pattern also. So don't underestimate harmonic patterns, Ichimoku, etc., and Wolf-Waves. It gives you, and you can spot with this, you can spot the reversal of the market, gauntlet, yes. So, fantastic. Here is good. No, I don't want this. Remove. Okay, and let's put gauntlet here. Ratios are perfect. Maximum, okay, thanks. It's Australian Lithium Company. Yes, I love Australia. I still have my hat, Aussie, because I lived and I was in Melbourne. I lived just near the industry station. It's fantastic. It was during the fires a long time ago, and I was speechless about the solidarity of the people there. It was just fantastic. I never saw that. Really respect, guys. Really, I'm an Aussie in my heart. Anyway, now we are done with my first stream live in English. It will be better step by step, of course. What about my stream in French on the subdomain French? We did last time, the last one, it was yesterday. And the best one, we did 1,400 views. It's fantastic. Now, from about the last one yesterday, we are around 700, 800. So I'm very happy that you follow me, that you trust me, and that you are online with me. So you can share this video. Okay, you can put some commentaries. It's very important to improve everything, of course. I'm not a predicator. I just watch my graphics, I make my analysis, and the graphs, they tell me, okay, we can go there or we can go there. That's all. It's target estimations. It's not signals. Don't forget that trading isolates. Trading is risky. Okay. Never trade with the money for your family or something like that. Trade only with the money you don't need. It's very important. Very, very important. We are not in the casino. Well, it's not gambling. It's strategy. It's a bit psychology. For me, it's not really psychology. It's about mindset, and you must be strong here. The rest, for me, because I'm a technical analyst, it's technique. Of course, you have economic, but technique is very important because medium term or long term, we go on the targets. Okay, guys, it was the Wolf of Zurich. Have a nice evening. Paka paka.